don't see this going in the right direction. This looks nasty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paroma Sharma and this is my little rectangle where I share a little bit of my life with you. And today is another day, another video, and a couple of very broken things at home. And today I'm sporting some straight-ish hair. My hair is never like 100% straight when I straighten it. Our shower faucet broke, so we're in the midst of trying to figure that out right now. So we had to cut the water source for the whole house and now my husband's freaking out. But it has been a week of lots of like home ownership breakdowns. You know, like our brand new lawnmower just smokes up and...
I need water. Do you have water in the car?
I think, yes, we do. We have lots of water in the car. We're in this massive lineup at Home Depot.
What an angle.
Look at your curls. Your curls, his curls will shade us from rain, hail, snow.
Shade me.
So I picked up some paint samples for like exploring whether we're gonna paint one of the walls in the living room. We found that little piece that was troubling us with the shower. These are the colors I picked up. They're all very similar. The slight difference in tone, like one's a little warmer, one's a little cooler. Like the slight variation could be it. Like you could have a color and have it go perfectly in the room and have it go perfectly with the couch, but there's something a little off about it and you just want to see a different shade of it. That's when this comes in handy. I already know that this is the color I want to try on this wall. So there were like some super crazy salespeople inside Home Depot. We walked up to one person and we were waiting to speak to an associate, and like we were waiting in line while he was helping someone else. While he was helping someone else, he eyed the thing we had in our hands, and once he was done that conversation, he looked at us. He didn't even let us ask him a question. He's like, "Come with me." And he just like, we just followed him, and then he gave us the piece and he's like, "Here you go. This is what you're looking for. Bye." The other thing is that somehow we didn't get charged for this piece, and we looked it up and it's like 75 bucks. We put it there. The lady who was cashing us out even said, she even like identified it. She's like, "Oh, this is a thing piece or something, a replacement piece." I don't know what replacement pieces. Sarv and I are like, well, yeah, I guess we're replacing a piece in our shower. And then we're looking at the receipt. It's like 75 bucks that they didn't charge us. Sarv is cutting potatoes. Look at those tattoos.
So if you're in that position,
Is that done?
Hello, yeah.
Wow!
have started similarly to me. I found them. And
Oh, that looks pretty good. Did you follow a recipe?
and if you're thinking about
Dang. Hi guys. Potatoes were awesome. Husband did a great job with those. They were absolutely delicious. Now, look at all this gunk. This is the hardware from the dresser that we soaked yesterday. Crazy. So I've got some dishwashing soap, paper towels, and I've got the metal spoolie. So I'm really gonna try to, first of all, take my ring off and protect that in the corner over there. Let's see if we can't get this to, ooh, I don't see this going in the right direction. This looks nasty. Try to clean this. Oh, maybe I should clog this, because if a nail goes down. Ooh, that's not bad. There is a little shine coming through. Okay, yeah, there's definitely a difference here. Look at that. Look at this. Definitely a difference.
What is that, before?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
And then scrubbing comes out like that.
Yeah. Yeah, because we soaked it. Look. Incredible. Let me show you another one to compare. This is before like drying it off or anything. I didn't end up reupholstering, but I did end up finding the fabric that I want to use. So we'll see how we do on time, but I may just end up actually finishing the seat tomorrow. I need you to see how amazing this hardware is turning out. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, this is incredible. I think it's gonna look so stunning on the table. Alright guys, it is day 2 of this DIY revamp decor project. And like I just showed you guys, I've already gone ahead and cleaned the hardware, which looks absolutely amazing. The reupholstery for the little seat, we are actually going to leave that project for tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead with the sand block right now and really just like give the rough edges a rougher look. I'm going to finish up the table the way I really want it to look. I'm going to reinstall all the hardware that we cleaned, which looks so stunning that they're not going to need anything else on my part. And I'm going to go ahead and use the gold paint that I did buy, the tiny bit of gold paint, to actually accent some of the carving and some of the work on the front there. So let's get to finishing the desk off today. So excited with how I was able to distress this. It actually turned out like exactly how I wanted it to. Absolute love with how well these pieces, like the hardware pieces, cleaned up. They're so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of drops of this pearl paint in there. I'm not sure if it's going to be the right gold bronze finish that I'm looking for. I'm going to saturate the tip of the brush, all sides, and I'm going to brush it over this part right here. So this is what it finally looks like. I'm going to be getting a backing for this spot right here, but I haven't actually reupholstered it, but this is the shirt I was going to use, and I thought I'd kind of put the shirt on the little cushion just so it doesn't look super off right now. But that seat is basically going to be kind of where I film my intros and my exits kind of thing. And of course, this is where I'm going to be editing. This is just one of our dining room chairs. This is actually a very furry, it's obviously faux fur, but it's a very furry piece of cloth. This is actually doubled right now. So I folded it in half here. What do you guys think? All of these things we had at home, all these like accessories and stuff I've had. This needs a picture. Actually, I have a lot of frames here that need pictures. Such a beautiful, inspirational place. So that there's all this area here
case I ever need to do like arts and crafts kind of thing.
Okay guys, and that was today's video. I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I cannot believe that I am doing my first video outro in my actual filming and editing space. And on such a tight budget. All of this in total maybe cost me about $55 because there's so many things I had already, and I'm honestly, this entire, the table and the chair situation was 50 bucks. And on top of that, I'm tagging on another $5 for like the paint and the sanding blocks and stuff. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing daily videos for the rest of the month of May. And of course, you will be seeing this space a lot more in the videos to come. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.